Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add border in PDF file on mobile. So if you want to make your PDF files looks more professional or stylish, in this video I'll show you how you can add borders to your PDFs using just your phone. So you can use an app like Sodo, Adobe Acrobat, PDF Editor Pro, or WPS Office, all free from the Play Store or App Store. So you can just search the apps on the Play Store or App Store. You can search for a Sodo PDF Reader and Editor or your preferred app. So in this case, I'm going to use the WPS Office. I've already downloaded and installed it on my phone, so let's just open the app, this one. Okay, so once the app is open, you can just open the PDF file, select your file from your phone storage or Google Drive, or you can also select an existing file. So let's say I want to add border to this PDF right here. Now you can add border using the if you use other app, you can use a tool like a drawing or shape tool, but on the WPS I'm going to just add the image of the border. So let's just hit on edit in here and then click on this plus image option, and now you can just choose the border image that you want to add. So here I'm going to use this one, click on OK. So this is the border. Now you can just resize and reposition the border so that it fits into the document. So just adjust as you prefer. Like this, for example, and you can also adjust the page if you want to. So this is the final result. If you want to change the border, you can delete this one first. So just tap on delete and click on the plus image again and choose another border that you want to add to the document, just like this. So this is just an example. You can add any border that you want. And so that's all for me. That's how you can add border to your PDF file. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mobile productivity hacks, and comment if you want a tutorial on adding watermark or maybe signature next. And also don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye.